Okay, hey guys, I am filming another makeup tutorial. This one's gonna be a little different than the other ones because on the other ones I had a little voiceover. In this video you can hear my voice. I'm gonna be talking to you guys and guiding you guys throughout this video. So yeah, I already started my brows. Now I'm just shaping, going behind with concealer on this brow and shaping this one out. And then I take the excess product and I go between the brows, and then I take it over the top of my brow. Like that. And then I go behind with a fluffier brush and I blend everything out. Crease area. Blend that out. Do the same for the other eye. And I'm taking it up a little more onto my brow bone. And I'm going to take it and shape out my eye and then just blend that out. Okay, and then I take a more packed brush. I don't know really how to say, but I take a more compact brush and then I go behind that with like a cream shade or a crease area. And we're just gonna stay right there, blend that out. And we're just gonna bring it out and go at the end of our eye. Then we're gonna go. So with that being said, I'm gonna get this compact brush. I'm gonna take this shade Boo and B. That's cute. Take this Boo and B yellow. Just really get it on that brush. And I'm going to just pack it.
This is it, money.
On my highlight. You want the colors to start blending together. So with that being said, I always take it over whatever color I have at the end of my eye. I always take it over just slightly so that the colors start blending together. And it creates like more of an ombre look and you can't see the separation between the two colors. Okay, once I do that, next I'm going to take that same light blue fluffy brush. Looks like cute. Fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in with a little orange. I'm going to add a little orange to this eye. Okay, we're going to go with the Juice Baby Girl. That's so cute. That's the name of the shade. I'm gonna take this orange. Okay. And I'm going to add it into this area. A little soft color. I'm going to take a little bit of this gold right here and just go right here on the jawbone. Okay, so we're just gonna do that, and then we're just gonna come out and create a wing. And so, for the ladies that don't really do foundation, don't care to do foundation, you can actually like spray your face with a setting spray, and just set your face with the powder. Don't overdo it because you will look crazy because it's a powder. If you don't apply any liquid before it will look crazy. If you know what I'm saying, spray your face and then apply the powder, and then take your brush that you're using and just pat it in. And you can go that way too. But just for video purposes, I decided to bring out my foundation. But on a day-to-day basis, I normally won't do foundation. I'll just do like an eye, mascara, So after that, this is a good palette for a reasonable price, for people who don't want to spend a lot of money on the products. So I just take this and put it right there. Hopefully you guys can see that. And it's not too dark. It's literally like the perfect, there you can see it right there. It's literally the perfect little shade to add a little contour. Okay, you see that there. You can take it on your forehead, and you can take it like here. Normally I do take it there, so I'll do it for video first. I'll take it down here, and I'll take it, underneath my chin. And then what I would do is I'll go back in with my powder. And then before I line my lips, put on my gloss, almost forgot, mascara. Take a little mascara. Be careful not to hit your eyeshadow. Take a little on your bottom lashes. Now we made it to the last step of the video. I had to run out to get my Dior lip oil. Had to pause it, y'all. Get into this eyeshadow, period. I'm gonna keep it real plain Jane. The eyes are already giving enough, Normally when I do an eye like this or just a colorful eye, I don't do too much on the lips. So I'm just gonna go in with my Dior lip oil. In their limited edition shade 096. It doesn't say the name on here, but I do know it's their limited edition shade. So I'm just gonna take this, has a nice little cherry tint to it, and I'm just gonna take that over my lips, get in the creases, Please do not forget the crevices of your lips, the creases of your lips, because they need moisturization too. Okay. Now that is it for my makeup tutorial. There's the eyes, liner, lips. I always enjoy making these videos, and I pray to God that you guys, whoever views these videos, enjoys them. I pray you guys have a blessed day, and thank you for taking the time out to view this video. God bless you, and don't forget that you're blessed and highly favored, and don't let nobody else tell you otherwise. Period. Bye guys.